This is important for one more reason. And we talk about being ambassadors for peace. And let me show you a booklet here. This is called Holistic Compassion. I wrote this book back in 2015, so it's been out there nearly 8 years. I've distributed more than 20,000 copies. And on the back, it says, be an ambassador of peace. The only way we can be an ambassador of peace is if we ourselves are very peaceful. What I'm getting at is, if you're a vegan and you're a jerk about it, you're not going to inspire anybody. And that's why the meditation and the prayer and the insight and the mindfulness practice are so important to us as vegans, so that when we're advocating for veganism, we are doing it with love and kindness and compassion towards the person that we are trying to inspire or trying to persuade. Now, anybody here who is a vegan, me included, at one time or another, we've been a jerk about it. I'm sorry. It's just a basic fact. We can be a jerk about it because we believe so strongly in it. But with some practice, with mindfulness, we let our jerkiness go by the wayside. And we focus on our compassion and inspiring people. You're an ambassador of peace. So be cool about it. And one way to be cool about it is by developing the mindfulness practice, the concentration, the insight that comes from being a meditating or praying or chanting vegan. Now, I've touched on the subject of exercise, and to me that is a key part of our spiritual liberation. I have a book here. It's still in manuscript form. It's called Hands-On Spiritual Liberation. And everything we're talking about today and everything I live is encapsulated in this book. And of course it covers how to transition to a vegan diet, how to meditate, how to do hands-on healing at each of the chakras. And it also brings up the subject of exercise. Now, earlier we asked how many people are meditating, how many are vegan. How many people here exercise or do yoga or play sports on a regular basis? So I'll ask everybody who is a regular exerciser, let's say 4 or more times per week. This does not count walking in the shopping mall. Sorry, that doesn't count. I mean, you go out jogging, swimming, cycling, tennis, whatever you like. So again, it's about half the people are involved in some kind of exercise. Now, maybe you've seen some of the videos. For example, Game Changers comes to mind, that shows how these world-class athletes went plant-based and they improved their game. We've heard all kinds of studies, documentaries, books have come out showing the benefits for the heart, for cardiovascular health, to control our blood sugar, to reduce the chances for cancer, and improve your tennis game, improve your ability to lift weights, improve your football game, whatever it is, you're able to improve those things. So if we can say veganism helps your physical game, how does the exercise help your veganism? Oh boy, we're always crisscrossing things here, looking for a synergy. But this is really important. This is really important. Let me take it one step at a time. By exercising, you stay stronger and healthier, so you're an ever more effective ambassador of peace, because people see you, whatever your age is, they will think, wow, you don't look 40, you only look 30. Or you don't look 60, you only look 45. Right, because I'm a vegan and I exercise every day and I meditate or I pray every day. It's that combination of things that makes us a very positive, vibrant role model for other people. So we don't have to talk about our veganism until people start saying that we are jerks about it. We just live our veganism, and people see, wow, this man has a strong build, or this woman, I can see she's getting older, but she carries herself very well. And people say, well, how do you do it? Well, it's real simple. I'm plant-based, vegan. I exercise 4 or 5 times a week. I meditate every morning. And so people will have a more positive energy. Another cool thing is that the exercise will help your meditation practice. Really? Yes. Whenever I have students coming by and they just say they just can't meditate, I say, hold on a second, you don't have to meditate. Go out and get some intense exercise and then call me tomorrow. Let me know how you feel. And so for the people who claim they cannot meditate, they will go out for a long walk or a jog or something like that, and then come home and they feel refreshed or more calm. And then I'll say, okay, now is the time to sit down and do the meditation. And it's a lot easier because we've burned out a lot of that stress. Something else. That exercise also helps reduce the chances of heart disease. It reduces the chances for cancer, for diabetes. It helps build up strong bones. It helps our meditation. It helps us all to be much more peaceful people. So I'm not quite sure I can say that this will bring world peace, but these are certainly some of the important components along that path.